Did you know that in Jamaica, a duppy tied to unfinished business will never let you rest? They say Cornelius Reed built his house on the hill above Cascade for 7 years. Finest house in the parish. Stone walls, wide veranda, imported cedar doors. But on the morning they were to lay the final cornerstone, Cornelius dropped dead in the yard. Heart just stopped, and the stone sat there, waiting. The first carpenter who came to finish the job walked through the front door and never walked back out. Neither did the second man, or the third. People in the village started hearing it at night, a low humming coming from inside the walls. Not one voice, many. See, Cornelius was not done. His duppy would not release that house to anyone until the work was complete. But every man who tried became part of the foundation instead. Their breath, their bones, their voices, all sealed inside. The house still stands on that hill. The front door is always open. Nobody goes near it after dark.